It's here. It's finally here. The network. Oh, can you read that? Look, network. Do you even know what that is? These are the new GaryVee 004 shoes. Let's see what's inside. Alright, you guys, this is an exciting moment. I have been a follower of GaryVee for quite a while now. And boy, can I just tell you, I missed out on the last set. I really wanted the dark clouds. And my heart is pumping. I'm so excited for these. I see white. I see a white box. And a receipt. There they are, you guys. 2 in a box. I got a set for myself, and of course, that Flip Life. I got another pair. These are gonna be mine right here. These are the size 12s. The GaryVee. Look at that. Ah, so excited. Doesn't even give you a good peek. Oh, look at that. Nice shiny set inside. Okay, peeling back the paper. Get the K-Swiss 004s. Whoo, buddy. And here they are. Oh, does that not look so good? And inside, of course, you got a little bit of the shoe stuffing. This baby says, see if you can get it. Positivity in my right shoe. These look good. Red sole. Honeycomb on the side there. Ooh, I'm so excited to try these babies on. Got the GaryVee 004s with the signature right there. You guys, let's unbox this other one. Oh, these are so fresh. I don't even know like sneaker terms, but these are dang good looking shoes. We got our Optimism here. Dude, there you go. The GaryVee 004. Oh, fetch, check this secret one out. On the tongue, right there. One life. Does it got it on both? Yep. You got one life, man. Make the best of it. I am so stoked. And looking at these though, one thing you might miss initially, because you don't think about like little details. I'm trying to see the little details, like the one life. The detail that they put into this is, I'm pretty sure, that's metal. That or it's just a high quality lace spot there, but this, they're not making crappy shoes for us here, man. Yeah, that's a metal, I don't even know what those are called. What are those called? Comments below, let me know. What are these babies called? But I got me some 004s. Let's put them on. Putting on some positivity. Cracking into a pair of awesome shoes with Optimism. Woo! You got one life. And boy, walking down the street, they're not uncomfortable either. You're gonna like these ones. The GaryVee 004s. Get yourself some positivity and optimism. You got one life. You gotta live it with a positivity and with optimism. Get out there, do something. Go get a pair of your own. I'll have a link to mine down in the description below. Check it out on eBay. If it's sold, it'll say sold. Sorry, but get yourself a pair before they're gone.